Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this perfect practical Microsoft Word tutorial, we will learn how to use the table border painter tool in Word to customize table borders quickly and professionally. Border painter allows you to draw and apply different border styles, color and line thickness directly onto your table. Perfect for creating stylish reports, invoices, schedules and professional documents layout. So let's get started. At first you have to open your document. Now I am go some page and we can see here a table. Now I want to draw and paint the table border. At first select the table, go to the design menu and we can see here the paint color or the paint border. Here the border painter. Select the color and now I am choose the red color and click the border drop down menu, choose all border. We can see we color the all border and using the table painter. You can change it, go back again the color option and change the color, then click the border drop down menu and choose all border. Now we can see we paint the table border easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.